Hey, it's Chris.
Hey, it's Jen.
And we are here in Bayou Country. We filmed this on 2 different days. Here for the Tiana's Bayou Adventure preview. So you'll see some daytime footage, some nighttime footage. But we are here trying the Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree and checking out Ray's Berets, which is right over this way.
Well, let's put it to you this way. We may have come on 2 different days, but that's because after the first time it was so good, we wanted to try some more.
Yeah.
So come with us.
Come on. The smoked barbecue combo platter is the signature dish. It includes baked beans, coleslaw, white bread, pickled vegetables, and you get a choice of 2 meats: pork spare ribs, pulled pork, sausage link, or beef brisket. Alright, we're trying the smoked brisket. I'm very excited. I tried a little piece without the sauce. It was okay without the sauce. Not the juiciest brisket I've ever had. But let's try it with the hot and spicy barbecue sauce. That is for sure the way to eat that. That is a good bite of barbecue. You don't get a whole lot. You get 2 slices of brisket in the platter. I'm not disappointed. I knew what I was going to get. And so I think it was pretty good. We'll see about this sausage link, though. That's probably the thing I'm most excited about. Oh, it smells good. It's smoky. It's salty. It's very meaty, like very porky. That's a good sausage. That was the thing I was most looking forward to trying here, and I am not disappointed with this. Try it with one of these bread and butter pickles. Oh, that's good. Alright, I was very meat-centric with my first tastings, but here are the baked beans that come with the combo platter. They're smokier and saltier than I expected, which is kind of nice. I'm usually not the biggest baked beans fan because they're usually very sweet. These are not. Little bits of meat in there. So if you are a vegetarian, definitely do not eat that. Oh, let's try this coleslaw. It's kind of cut kind of rough, which I'm not sure if that's a good thing. This is a citrus slaw. Kind of orange juice based, it tastes like. Also a lot of celery seed, which I don't hate. I think for me, I wish that the cabbage in here was cut a little bit finer, because you do get that bitterness from the cabbage because it's cut in such big pieces. You lose that in like a finer cut slaw. But overall, I don't hate it. I like a citrus slaw. I like that it's orange juice based. That's not bad. The barbecue pulled pork sandwich has a tangy barbecue sauce, coleslaw, and bread and butter pickles with beer battered fries on the side. All right, I'm gonna have a quick bite of Jen's pulled pork sandwich. Looks good. veggies, a lot of veggies, a lot of pulled pork. Toasted bun. Oh, I definitely think you're meant to sauce this yourself. I would do the spicy. The classic is good. Like I said, tastes like the McDonald's barbecue sauce, which is not a bad thing, I don't think. Because it's sweet, but like really savory. Yeah, that's a good sandwich. And the fries are real nice. They are kind of breaded. Very crispy, that's good. The strawberry shortcake lemonade has simply lemonade, Minute Maid strawberry smoothie, sweet cream topping, shortbread crumbles, and strawberry dust. All right, this is the strawberry shortcake lemonade. So a lot on top of the foam, which is nice. How delightful. Oh, I no longer have access to it. It belongs to Jen.
Okay, thanks.
Wow, it's good. It's sweet, but unlike the other like sweet beverages, it's not overpoweringly sweet. The foam on top actually kind of balances it out in some ways. Like it's not a sweet foam, and then you get the cake crumbles on top, which is a really nice flavor, I think. The banana pudding has bananas, whipped cream, crushed wafer cookies, dulce de leche, and toffee.
Dessert.
All right, Jen was very excited to try the banana pudding.
Pudding?
We're gonna do it. Is that what? I'm not from the South, so.
Yeah, banana pudding.
Oh yeah. So Jen is trying the banana pudding. But I can tell you, it's real good. Like, excellent fresh banana flavor. Like, it's sweet without being too sweet. It's one of those desserts that, if you're an Asian, often the best praise for a dessert is it's not too sweet. It's not too sweet.
It's really good.
That's delicious, yeah. That is...
It tastes like banana pudding should taste like.
Every time we come here, we're going to get this. Like, that's good.
Hope you like bananas.
The smoked Angus beef burger with pulled pork is the new burger at Hungry Bear. It includes American cheese, golden aioli, pickled red onions, bread and butter pickles, and crispy onions with beer battered fries on the side. But we were trying the burger, the Angus barbecue burger with pulled pork. It smells really good. It looks better than the cheeseburgers here used to look, which I think is worth saying because this was primarily a cheeseburger restaurant before. These pickled onions look real good. I'm real excited about that. So, it bears mentioning this is already sauced. The burger is toasted, but definitely pretty wet from being sauced. It's dripping a lot. But it tastes good. This is not just like your Western bacon cheeseburger. This is kind of their upgraded burgers with pulled pork, a thinner version of their barbecue sauce, the regular one, not the spicy one, the pickled onions, which taste amazing, and the house pickles. The house pickles, I don't know if I made a big enough deal last time. Tastes really good. They have a nice crunch to them. They've got that pickle flavor. I think it's really good. The corn ribs plate is kind of interesting. It is an ear of corn that is kind of torn into strips. Those strips are covered in a chili lime aioli, parmesan, crispy onions, cilantro, and scallions, and it's served with coleslaw and beer battered fries on the side. Okay, I'm super intrigued to try this. Corn ribs. This is the big non-meat entree here. It's like a They took corn on the cob and just like ripped it into shreds, into rib-shaped shreds. Ooh, that's good.
Yeah,
It's treated like elote, covered in lime. I don't think they did the mayo, maybe. But there's Parmesan cheese. There's like maybe tahini. But this was grilled. It tastes really good. I kind of wish it was a whole head of corn, but not whole head, whole cob. But I guess in total on the plate you get a whole cob of corn. But yeah, there's cilantro on top. That's good. That's really good. I think that's why I thought there was tahini, because there is a bit of spice on there. That's delicious. I don't know if a corn on the cob like elote is gonna do it for you, but if you are not a meat eater and it will do it for you, this is good. And you get fries with it, and you get coleslaw. Like, it's a whole dinner plate. Yeah, Jen just said it's a lot of food for $15. I like this a lot. What a great dish. Well, that is Bayou Country and the Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree. I like it overall. What do you think?
10 out of 10 with the corn ribs. Would mess with them again every day, all day. They were so good. My favorite thing, like the banana pudding, don't get me wrong, the banana pudding is good, and the strawberry shortcake drink, also good. But them corn ribs, oh my God, they were so good.
I probably wouldn't get the burger again. It was very wet, like really wet, like probably more wet than the burger should be. The barbecue platter, though, excellent. I haven't gotten all the meats, as you could see. I would like to try the pork rib eventually, but the brisket's good. Not the best I've ever had, but good. And the sausage is excellent. Would get that any day. But overall, cool land. It's not quite done yet. We've got Ray's Critter Club yet to open over there. That's great. This land is great. I think that it is an improvement on Critter Country and a very welcome addition to this end of the park. But yeah, thanks for joining us. If you like this video, give it a like. If you want to come back for some more Everyday Magic, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.
Okay, bye.